Alright folks, here's a Ford F150. Just want to show you something here. Alright, this is a customer that decided to change brake pads for himself and not change the rotors. But you see the rotors are shot. Brake pads you can see are practically brand new. But there's something else going on in here, because after he did that, he needed help. So here we are. He thinks it's just the rotors, but look at this. Yeah, there's something more than rotors. We're assuming something with the bearing here. You can see the little metal particles here. Something's wearing out, something's eating up in here. Hopefully the spindle is not messed up. But yeah, the whole thing vibrates. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, something's going on there. Alright, we'll have to see what's going on. Alright. Alright, with the caliper off, here's what we got. Look at all that play. Alright, we'll go deeper. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to start to take this part here off. I'm going to bend the cotter pin over. Make it straight. Here's a little trick. I'm not sure if you guys know. I usually grab this at the end. And I go and I pull this up like this. See that? Grab another spot. And you're able to grab it, pull it right out. See? With these. Don't forget, always change these. Okay? Change them. Don't reuse the old one. I want to change that nut. Alright, says you gotta get a new nut. Gotta go to the store and get that. But let's zap that out and see what we're working with here. Alright, so what we're looking at here is the whole rotor assembly. See the play. See it? The whole thing is shot. And comes with the bearing. There it is right there. It should slide out unless it's frozen in there. A little spindle in there. And soak it up. Give it a little hammer and we'll see if we can get this sucker out. Might be a problem here today. Alright. Coming out slowly but surely. See? A lot of WD-40. A lot of hitting with the sledge. A lot of grabbing it from the back. See that? So gotta keep hitting the rotor with the sledge. It'll walk its way out. See that? Alright, still working on it. Alright, we need a little propane heat here. Heat up that bearing in the middle there. And more WD-40. More hammering. And it finally comes out. Alright, loose. Gotta see what this sucker looks like. Hang it by a few threads. Look at the bearings. Start to fall apart already. See it? Oh boy. I wonder if the race is going to be stuck on that spindle. Alright, let's see if I can pull this off with two hands. Hang on. Alright, here it is. Fell apart. With little needle bearings in it. Alright, this is what the bearing here looks like. I have to try to finish the rest of it. Try to cut this off or heat it up so you can get this other part of the bearing race off. give this truck a little shot. What do you think? All right. Here's where we are, right here to this point. Heat it up a little bit more, see if we can spin that off. No problem. No. Little bearing hanging out there. But that's it. Yeah, look at this rotor. Took a good shot. Yeah. Alright, there's the fun part starts. Alright, a little bit more persuasion. Yeah, we finally got this off. There's a little ring. That's it. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Doesn't look too bad here. Alright, the surface is not gouged or anything, so a little brake clean, shoot it up, and we'll do roll reversal. Alright, put the rotors back on. You got to get a new nut. See, it even says do not reuse. Alright, so we got to get a new nut because this is a lock nut. See the little nylon there? How much that going to be? Alright, that is new brake pads that he had used. Gouged them up a little bit, but we got new ones. Never put the old ones back on. And then when he did the brake pads, look, he never did the hardware. So now the hardware's all bent up. Alright, listen. Buy the good brake pads. Comes with the new hardware. Alright? Do it right the first time. And you'll be alright. Okay? I think that's it. Swing this sucker back together. Get rid of this old junk. And then we gotta do the other side. Alright? Chop. Here's your new rotor. Nice and cleaned up hub. Little nice emery cloth. Cleans it up. Little WD-40. Lift it up. It'll fit right in. There you go. No more noise. Alright. So like I said, the rest of it is just putting it together like a regular brake job. Alright, brake pads. Change the hardware on that caliper bracket. Get rid of the old junk. Get a new nut. And you're good to go. Alright. That's it. Ciao.